Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we are going to show this equality. First, I would like to thank you for all your comment and suggestion on previous videos. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So we are going to first consider this one and show that is equal to this one. And then we are going to take this and show that is equal to this one. So let's just show it. We have this exponential x minus exponential minus x divided by exponential x plus exponential minus x. Okay, what is this one? We first note that we first see how this exponential minus x can also be written. So this exponential minus x can also be written as exponential minus x is equal to exponential x minus 2x. So we're using the property of exponential is exponential x times exponential minus 2x. So we are just going to replace this value of exponential minus x inside this expression, and find this expression here. So let's just do it. We have exponential x minus exponential minus x divided by exponential x plus exponential minus x, which is equal to exponential x minus this exponential minus x is equal to exponential x times exponential minus 2x. Okay, and here we have divided by exponential x plus this exponential minus x is equal to this one, which is exponential x times exponential minus 2x here. Now we can see directly that we have exponential x here, and here we can pull it outside also here, and here we can put it outside. So we'll just have which is equal to exponential x outside will stay here with 1 minus this exponential minus 2x. And here down we have the same thing divided by exponential x times 1 plus exponential minus 2x. Okay, you can see that we can directly divide here by this exponential. So we are going to have here 1 minus exponential minus 2x divided by 1 plus exponential minus 2x, which is the first equality that we just shown now. So exponential minus divided by exponential x plus exponential minus x is equal to this one. So we just show that this is equal to this. Now let's just take this one. Let's just take this one and show that we can have this one. Okay, we have here that if we take exponential, if we take 1 minus exponential minus 2x divided by 1 plus exponential minus 2x. Okay, what is 1? First note that we can write this 1 and this one as as 1, which is equal to exponential 0, because every number power 0 is 1, which is equal to exponential minus x plus x, which is again 0 here, which is equal to exponential minus x times exponential x. So we'll just replace this value of 1 here and here to show the second equality. So we have 1 is equal to this one. Let's just show our second equality. We have 1 minus exponential minus 2x divided by 1 plus exponential minus 2x, which is equal to, this one is equal to exponential minus x times exponential x minus exponential minus 2x here, and this one also is exponential minus x times exponential x minus x plus exponential minus 2x. Okay, and this one is equal to, we can rewrite this exponential minus 2x as exponential minus x times exponential minus x. So we have here exponential minus x times exponential x minus exponential minus x times exponential minus x. We do the same thing down, exponential minus x times exponential x plus exponential minus x times exponential minus x. So we can see that we have exponential minus x here and here. We can pull it outside. Also here and here we can pull it outside. So we'll just stay with this one, which is exponential minus x times exponential x minus exponential minus x. And down we have exponential minus x times exponential x plus exponential minus x. And if we simplify this, we'll just have exponential x minus exponential minus x divided by exponential x plus exponential minus x. So we just show that 1 minus exponential minus 2x divided by 1 plus exponential minus 2x. So we just show this equality using two signs. So thank you for watching the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.